It's Brickner2K16 and today I have LEGO City 60072. This is the LEGO City Demolition starter set. It contains 85 pieces and retails for $9.99 in the United States. It contains 4 minifigures and is recommended for ages 5 to 12. So yeah, let's take a look at this set. Obviously, as I say all the time, I love the LEGO City starter sets. Really great value, so let's take a look at these 4 minifigs now. Okay, the first 2 minifigs we're going to take a look at here are the crew, construction or demolition manager there, or the site manager, and then here on the side is just a worker here. They both have some nice printing on the torso. I don't think either of them are exclusive, or like prints are exclusive. But I haven't really looked into the city sets much, so I couldn't tell you. The back of the torsos also have some nice detail there. Not much, but you can see there's maybe some pliers or something stuck in the back pocket of the worker. Both of them have red hats. The only difference is your worker has the black headphones on his, and they are moulded on, so you can't take them off, unfortunately. You can take them off and then you can get a better look at the face. See, our worker here has some glasses on, just some safety glasses. Keep him safe when he's using the heavy equipment. And the manager just has some facial hair there. And I don't know what his face looks like. He looks very happy and pleased with how his team are performing. And then for legs, there's no leg printing on these two or any of them in the set, but they match, and they don't match, but the legs match sort of on the minifig, so it goes well. All looks good. The other 2 minifigs in the set are just some more workers with some more different sort of styles of printing. Of course, all these torsos are not gender specific, so you can switch them around. Here we have a female worker on the right and this other man here on the left who looks like he's pretty sweaty. He's doing some hard work. He's the one that I usually put in control of your little digger you get in the set, because that's what they told me to in the instruction manual. Yeah, he looks like he's ready to do that. This other worker has just a nice orange jacket on, and you can take a look at the back. You can see the hairpiece for her is moulded into the hat. You can take the hats off, like so. Take a look back at the back printing. See, our female worker has got a hoodie on under the jacket there, and then a walkie-talkie in the back pocket. And you can see a better look at their faces there. But yeah, that's it for them. The last thing I want to mention is you do get some accessories in the set for your minifigs to use and hold and stuff. You get a red megaphone, you get a little brick-built hammer, which is a simple thing, and then you get a jackhammer there, which one of them can use. But yeah. Okay, so moving the minifigs off to the side, I'll move those off to the side, I'll leave that one in there. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff you get in the set. You get 2 of these little cones. You can see how they're built, anyway, you get 2 of those, and that's just for you. If you need to block off an area, you can do that, or if you want to block the digger from going somewhere, because you don't want it, or something, you can just use those. And yeah, talking of the digger, it's a very nice little digger. You can articulate this little bucket on the front. Now the bucket doesn't scrape along the ground unless you lift the back up, so yeah. If you could it doesn't give you any bricks just for to help to let it pick up or something. You can't really pick up the cones unless you sort of get it right in that little gap. No. But if you want to, you can lift it up and put the cones inside if you want to just move it, or if you really want to, you can give your boss a little ride around. You can just sit a little minifig in there like that, and then he can yell at the other 2 workers to do their job. But yeah, there's a little light on top of the roll cages. Nice. There's also some lights at the front there. You can't really see them, but they're there. And there's tons of lights on the back. The roll cage can lift up like that. Just hinges back, and then that's how you're going to get your minifig in and out. And there are 2 control sticks in there that you can get in their hands. And then obviously, as I mentioned, 4 wheels, and that's what it looks like from the bottom. And then from the back. What I don't like is that it uses like just a blue ratcheted joint there. So it just really sticks out like a sore thumb when you're building that around. So I might switch that one out. I have some greys just to make it flow better, look better. But it rolls around really well. It can roll around on tons of different surfaces. But you know, and you can get some distance on it. You could use it as a racing car if you want. It's up to you. The other build you get in the set is this small little construction site, and it does give you some ways to play. Now these aren't like built very strong. They're meant to be knocked down. All these 3 on the end here, they just pop out like that. You can see they're just their own little thing, and if you put it in without pushing it down all the way, you can hold this and really knock it out. Do some destruction and put that back in there. There's the toilet. So this is, you can imagine this being a house or like a office building that's no longer being used, and they're taking it down to free up some space to build some new stuff. You can see some pipes there off to the side. I don't really know what this pipe's doing sticking out next to the toilet. But either way, you get some nice blue flames to represent some water going everywhere. Guess your construction workers are getting a bit wet. They're getting their tools all soggy. But there's the toilet. It's a nice toilet. You've got the button to flush it on top. And I mean, you could make your workers use the toilet if you want to. I'm sure lots of people will. Because, you know, toilets are fun that way. And, yeah, that's basically it. Obviously, there's not as much to build here as some of the other starter sets. Like, the police starter set. That's actually one of my favourite starter sets. Along with the space starter set. That's retired, I think. You can probably find it somewhere. But, so, yeah, overall, it's a really nice starter set. You get some nice stuff. And, if you're into the construction or demolition theme, this is a useful set to get, or even if you're not into LEGO City entirely. Like me, I just get the starter sets just to sort of see how I feel about this wave, and you know, so the starter sets are actually sort of nice to collect. You get lots of just fun things, and you know, lots of vehicles and places and things for people to do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.